Welcome back in accordance to another video. In today's video is another Makeup Monday video, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So if you're new here, every Monday, me and some other ladies, we do a collab on Instagram. We do whatever I do whatever here to let you know how I created it. We have such a fun time, and I really love this group, and hopefully y'all do as well. Love seeing it every Monday. I am going to be showing you how I created this look, but the theme of this look was creation. So you could do any creative look. So what I decided to do is do colors that I really don't like and don't use a lot. And I'm okay with wearing these colors. It's just I gravitate towards bright, bold colors. The only time I do these types of looks like that's brownie colors is like for fall. But I don't gravitate towards that. I always gravitate towards colorful looks. But this is what I created. So that's my inspiration for this is colors that I don't really use a lot or don't really like. So let's talk about what I use today. Before I talk about what I'm going to be using today, please check out the ladies that's linked down below. Their Instagram links. Go show them some love. Follow them over there on Instagram. They really appreciate it. And hopefully I do enjoy seeing what they do today. Now, since we have to do creation look, it could be anything. So I just picked this theme out. So the palette I use, because I haven't used they're really not eyeshadows. They're more like, yeah, they're like a simple eyeshadow look for this one. But this is the Laura Geller, the best of the best baked full face basics. Looks like that. So what I did is I used these shades up here at the top. So I used almond right here, this dark brown shade, in the crease and blended it out some. That's what it looks like on the crease. To help blend that shade out some, I used Sunstone. Sorry about the lighting. This shade right here. To blend out the edges of that shade. And then I used Oyster, which is the shimmer shade, on the lid of my eye. I put the same brown under my eye. And then for my inner corner and on my face, I used the baked highlighter in, I don't know how to say that, but I'll just show you this highlighter right here. So that's what I did. I got this in PR and I really wanted to try it out. But there is a baked body frosting, which would make me like a bronzer. Yeah, it says bronzer. And there is a baked highlighter, which is in French vanilla. This one is kind of like a setting powder that's like brightening. It's really not like shimmery like on my face right here. So you would put that like under your eyes to set your concealer and stuff. And then there is a blush, the pink butter cream. So that's what the palette looks like. And the shades worked very good. I really loved how they looked. They blended out very well. So this is a great natural everyday palette. So I feel like you could bring this like at the beach and stuff, and you'll have everything you need because you don't have to bring that much palettes or anything with you. So I really recommend that palette if you want to check it out. For my lips, oh no, let me do mascara first. For my mascara, I use the Tartelette Tubing Mascara. I really love this stuff. It's a tube mascara, so what happens is it tubes around your mascara, your lashes, and then when you put more layers on it, it gets like thicker. This is 2 coats of my lashes, if you want to know. But all you have to do with the tube mascara is you just get a little bit wet and then just pull off your lashes, and it's very easy to clean. And this is my like very first Tarte product. I really want to try more from them. They have some amazing products. I really recommend them. And now let's talk about the lips. The lips, I use this CeraVe Botanicals long-lasting vegan lip stain. It's this brown shade. I don't know the shade name. Oh, Latte. So here's what it looks like. So I thought it was a perfect brown lip for this look. I love this brand so much. I got to know it from Ipsy, and this is one of my Ipsy goodies I got, and I really like it. And they have a really good brand. Like I have primer from them. I have highlighter and blush from them, and they're really good. I really love the brand so much. I really recommend that brand. I will link everything I'm talking about down below. They're just links to get there, no affiliates or anything. If I do have a link, I'll link it in my link tree down below in the affiliate link section. So please check that out. All the affiliate links I do get a small commission for them, so you know. Some of them have codes beside it, so please use that as well. And I really do recommend you check that out if you do want to help support the channel. But if you don't want to use the affiliate links, you could just always just shop through the link that I link, because I always link the products. So the last thing I use is the Bare Mineral Original Mineral Veil 24-hour setting spray. I know it might not focus because I'm using the front camera again. So the back one. But that's the 24-hour setting spray. I've been using it a lot. It's okay. It's like my second favorite. My first favorite is still the Urban Decay one. But I really like this. It's really good. Especially the last 24 hours. It's like a natural matte finish. And I love Bare Minerals. They're really good. And I got that in PR as well. So that's all the makeup I use. Now let's talk about what I'm wearing today. So I'm going to talk about these clips. They're from Kitsch. I think that's how you say the brand name. They're like creaseless clips just to pin back my bangs. I know it's not even, I just noticed that. That's gonna bother me. And I really love these clips. I do have a code for them if you want to use that at checkout. It's Kitsch20. The K is capitalized. I don't get anything from that. That's just for y'all to use. And I really recommend you to use that code. Then my shirt today is from my the Cat Lady box because of the color, but here's what it looks like. It just has big stretch and it's cats doing different stretches. Just try to wear it because of the color. It'll go good with it. I don't have a lot of brown shirts in my collection, so of clothing, so just try to wear that. And I love wearing the Cat Lady box items. They have really good stuff, so I really recommend that subscription box. So that's all I'm wearing today, and I think that's it for today's video. So if you got this far in the video and enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out a lot. And comment down below, let's say, what color you don't really like using when you're doing makeup. Just leave it down below. I love to see what colors you don't like. Just please share them to be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see a shout in the previous video uploaded on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section and show them some love. I really do appreciate that if you do that. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. If they're a YouTuber, go check out their channel, and if they're a subscriber, go find their comment in the comment section. This is just a way for me to say thank you to all the unicorns who do watch my videos in full and show it's a support. It really means the world to me. So I will always love to shout you out to say thank you, and it's a way for you unicorns to get to know new people. So please, again, answer that question, or if you don't want to, just say you watched in full and you'll be shouted in the next video also on my channel. So I forgot to mention that I will link the playlist for Makeup Mondays down below just in case you want to watch any more videos like this one. It really do mean a lot to me if you do watch that playlist. It does help out with watch time hours. So please, if you have any free time, watch that. Also, I want to personally thank Jessie Miller Unboxing and More because she's been helping me out a lot on my YouTube channel. So there's going to be a little bit different things going to be happening outside of YouTube because usually I post the day my video goes live. And she suggested maybe that's why I'm not getting views because other people follow me on other things. So what I'm going to do is all these videos that I do post on YouTube, I'll be posting on other social medias like the day after it's been posted to see if that will help. I'm also going to try to reply to comments within the time it is posted to help out that as well because I'm really behind on comments. So I was trying to catch up on past comments. So maybe that was a cause of not viewing and not pushing my videos out. So I want to thank her so much for helping me out because I really need help with that. And she was so kind to do that. I will link her channel down below. So please do go check her out and show her some love if you love journaling, unboxings, and more. You're really going to love her channel. And if you guys have any tips, please let me know. I've been trying to do everything I can on my channel, like with tags, with chapters, you know, at the same time. Every time I do post, I post at the same time. Start doing premieres. So any other tips y'all have, please let me know. I love to, read them. Also, I started looking at the camera more because when I film in the past, I was not looking at the camera. So hopefully that helps. I don't know, but I love any tips and tricks y'all can give me. But I just want to mention that because I really want to thank her for that, for the help. So hopefully that helps with views and stuff. It's not posting the same day that the video goes up. I just thought that's what I'm supposed to do. If I share the video and post and stuff like that, people will go and watch it. But I will still post like the link when the video goes live in my story and my Instagram so people can go watch it. But I won't be posting like the whole makeup look until the next day. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that helps out a lot. And I think that's all the information I want to say. If you want to see any more information, like how to support my YouTube channel, if you want to shop for merch, anything like that, there's links in the description. I also will link my Amazon storefront if you want to shop for that. That is an affiliate link, and that'll be the first link you see. All the money I make from that link and any other affiliate links I have on my channel will go right back to my channel, so you know. So it really does help out a lot if you do shop through those links. If you do want to help out the channel for like more unboxings, anything like that, giveaway prizes, anything like that, please do shop through those links. But you don't have to. But it's there for y'all just in case y'all do want to save some money, because most of them that I do have affiliate links set for, if it has a code beside it, you get a small percentage off your order. If it don't have a code for it beside it, it's just a affiliate link. So you know. So I think that's it for today, and that's all the information I want to mention. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what you thought of today's video. With me using colors I really don't use a lot or really don't like. Let me know what you think of it. Again, like I mentioned, I like browns for like fall time, but I just don't gravitate towards those colors that much unless I'm doing it for a fall collab or something like that, or like a Halloween look or something like that. I will go dark colors, but usually I go with the bright, colorful shades in my collection. But I thought this would be a fun challenge for me to step out of my comfort zone and do a brown look again, and for me to use this new palette that I got that I haven't used the eyeshadow part yet. So I really like this palette. So please share in the comments if you did enjoy seeing that or enjoyed seeing Makeup Mondays. I'd love to know that as well. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe, join the Unicorn family, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload, and unicorns, always be yourself. Bye!